we continuously invest on research and development and life-saving medicines, there is still a gap there that we notice, especially in the Philippines. Back
Which
in
is
which is the lack of access, timely access. So giving the right medicine to the right patient at the right time is a gap. So we did a study back in 2015 in Roche, wherein we tried to see how are Filipino patients having access to the life-saving medicines products that we have. So during that time, we did an analysis, and the data showed that it was only 1 out of 10 Filipinos who are eligible or who can benefit from Roche medicines have access to that. And that is very, I would say, a huge gap that we're aiming that we can actually make a.
so. What other areas are the cause for inequality or lack of knowledge?
So aside from the lack of knowledge, second, now we go to the systems that you mentioned. I like how you perfectly framed it. So I think the pandemic again has taught us that there is an opportunity to make our systems more flexible, agile, and
Mhm.
really address yung parang ima-match mo kung ano yung need. Kasi as much as we want to, do steps one to 100, there are situations that really call for some flexibility and agility. So one opportunity, aside from providing consistent, adequate information that is comprehensible for all, sana nga in local language and dialects pa, is the systems in place, are the systems in place. So it's very important. We hope that there is much more consistency and predictability in the access to medicines, especially yung timely approvals. Because while FDA, I think, is now making good progress on having faster approvals on the innovation, the
Mhm.
other roadblock that we have now is the Philippine National Formulary. So for, let's say, government hospitals, before they can even purchase these medicines, kasi when we talk about inequality, we talk about the most remote areas. Dapat yung isang teacher, for example, in Tacloban, or a farmer in Ilocos or Pampanga can actually have the same access, the same person as a person